guys, you are welcome to my page. This is Claritus, your best companion in physics. Let's look at this question on velocity time graph. A body at rest is given an initial uniform acceleration of 8 meters per second squared for 30 seconds, after which the acceleration is reduced to 5 meters per second squared for the next 20 seconds. The body maintains the speed attained for 60 seconds, after which it is brought to rest in 20 seconds. Draw a velocity time graph. Then we have to calculate the maximum speed. We have to calculate the average retardation. Then we have to calculate the total distance covered and the average speed. So when you see any question like this, it may sound complex, but it's very, very easy. So I'm going to guide you through the process of solving this type of question. So let us go. Solution. The first thing you're going to do is to draw the graph. I draw my velocity axis against time. Please don't forget to indicate your axis in meters per second and my time in seconds. So a body at rest, starting at rest, of 8, acceleration is given and the time is 30 seconds. Mind you, we need velocity, not acceleration. So this is 30. For the next, okay, for 30, after which the acceleration is reduced. So if you have reduction in acceleration, the acceleration is reduced to 5 meters per second squared for the next 20 seconds. So what will this? So 30 for the next 20 seconds, this will be 50. 50. Now, the body maintains this speed attained for 60 seconds. Yes, for 60 seconds, that will be 50 plus 60, that is 110. 110. After which it is brought to rest in 20 seconds. So it is brought to rest in 20 seconds. So this one is 110 plus 20, that will be 130. So this is my velocity time graph. Mind you, we are not given the velocity, we are given acceleration. How do I get my velocity? Now what I'm going to use from the first equation of motion, from equation 1, equation of motion. Well, I have V equals to U plus AT. So V equals to, the body is starting from rest, so it's going to be 0 plus, what is the acceleration given? 8 meters per second. And for 30 seconds, that's 8 multiplied by 30. 8 multiplied by 30, that will give me 240. 240 meters per second. So my velocity. So this is 240. And the second acceleration is 5 for 20 seconds. The second velocity now, velocity equals to, using the same formula, but mind you, the body is coming down, so it's going to be negative acceleration, so it's decelerating. So I'm going to have minus there. Minus. So U minus AT. Now this one becomes my initial velocity now. My velocity is equal to 240. Sorry, this is 240 minus, what is A? A is 5, and what is my T? Is 20. My velocity is going to give me 5 times 20 will give me 100. 240 minus 100. So my velocity is going to be 140 meters per second. So this second velocity is 140 meters per second. So this is my velocity time graph. I think you understand that. Now let's solve the question now. Yeah, to calculate the maximum speed, we have gotten that. So my maximum speed has been calculated as 240 meters per second. Then average retardation as the body is being brought to rest. Average retardation as the body is being brought to rest. So this is my retardation. So question 2 now. My question 2 is my average, that's V2 minus V1 over T2 minus T1. So my V2 now is going to be 140 minus 0 over 130 minus 110. That will be 140 divided by 20. So my retardation is 140 divided by 20. And that's going to give me 7 meter per second square. So this is my retardation as the body is coming to rest. So this is my retardation. Now I've solved the second question. Now the third question we have to find the total distance traveled. During the first 50 seconds. So I have these two shapes now. I have shape 1, shape 2. This is a triangle and this is a trapezium. So number 3, the total distance covered during the first 50 seconds is going to give me the first shape is half base times height, area of the triangle. Then that is equals to half. What's the base? 30, and the height is 240. 240 multiplied by 30 will give me 7,200 divided by 2. That's 3,600 for the first shape. Then the second one, area of a trapezium. The second shape, that's sum of parallel sides. These are the parallel sides. 140 plus 240, and my height is 20 times 20. That's 20. 140 plus 240, that's 380 multiplied by 20. That will give me 7,600 divided by 2. That's 3,800. Now, so the total distance now, the total distance covered equals to 3,600 plus 3,800. 3,600 plus 3,800. And that's 7,400 meters. Please, I think you are following me. That's 7,400. Then the final question says you find the average speed. And what is speed? The first question, speed equals to distance over time. Mind you, for the first 50 seconds, that's the average speed we have to find for the first 50 seconds. So my distance is 7,400 and the time is 50 seconds. So that's 7,400 divided by 50. And that will give me 148 meter per second. 148 meter per second. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Charis Tutors. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.